How to create digistore24 account. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to make your digistore24 account. So first of all you have to do is just simply come to the digistore24.com, the official website of Digistore, and after that you will be able to see the option called start now. It's free to sign up, or you can also click on the get started from the top right corner of the screen. Just simply click on it, and after that all you have to do is just simply enter your publisher username that you will going to use in your Digistore account. Just simply enter the username right here, and after that just enter the email address and just select a password of your choice. Just select the strong one, and after that just select whether you are a vendor or you are an affiliate, and after that just just agree to the terms and conditions or the privacy policy of the Digistore24, and after that just simply tap on continue. And as soon as you click on continue, there you have it, your Digistore24 account has been created. So this is basically how you will be able to create Digistore24 account. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.